We got one of these Coleman Mach 8 ACs, and it sounds like it's clunking. There's an animal bouncing around in there. This is probably broken. Throw it off balance and it will wobble around and bounce around. Just gotta pop the top off, pop this little cover off, and you can get right to it. Easy, simple screw, pop it off, put the new one on, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. And now when the old one is off, make sure you get all of the pieces from out there. They're just gonna come back on, break the new one. So make sure it's cleaned out. You pop the new one on, screw it on, and you're good to go. Put the new one's on, and we'll just pop this cover on. Alright, that cover's on. That cover goes on, that cover goes on, we're good to go.